GSL lithium-ion battery 48V solar energy storage system includes a wall-mounted 48V lithium battery and 8kW hybrid inverter. The Powerwall Li-FEPA 4 battery has more than 6,500 life cycles with 20 years warranty. GSL Smart Hybrid Inverter with 2 MPPT solar controller supports storing energy from diesel generator, solar and grid power. With Smart App and LCD display, you can monitor the status of your whole solar power system. GSL Energy provides you one-stop solar energy storage solution.